हांव कार्मिना बारबोजा तुमकां हेराल्ड टीव्हीच्या खबरापत्राक येवकार दिता। एका जोड्याक सुमारा भायर बडयले म्हूण सांगता त्या गुन्यांचेर आदारून कोलवाच्या पुलीस सब इन्स्पेक्टराची बदली कोत्तोच पुलिसेन मनीस मेलोल्याची घडणी घडल्या म्हणटात ताका लागून दक्षिण गोंयच्या पुलिसांचेर आनीकूय फार आयला। पुलिसेन भितर आसतना कन्याकुमार मंडल नांवाचो बिहारचो कामदार मेलो म्हणटात। पुटो उपसूक जावन मेला असो दाखोवपाचो यत्न केलो देखून ते एक जाण पुलिसांक सस्पेंड केल्यात। पुलिसेन भात्या न्याय सनिता हाचे कॉलम 103 खाला मर्डर जाला हाचो FIR रजिस्टर केला।
Post midnight on 25th June, Maina Kurthuram police station received a call from the state police control room stating that a person was found dead on the main road. He was run over by a truck that went without stopping. The initial investigation was pointing toward a hit-and-run case as there was no mention of the deceased in the diary of the Ponda police. The Maina Kurthuram police arrested a truck driver in Karnataka on 4th July and brought him to the police station on 5th July. Soon the autopsy report revealed shocking and hidden details when the district hospital at Margao conducted the post-mortem on the body. The post-mortem report said that the deceased had 4 stab injuries on abdomen and 1 on the neck and he had died before the truck ran over him. This means someone had murdered him and left him on the road so that in the darkness of the night, a truck or any other vehicle would run over him and it would look like an accident. After recovering the CCTV footage at Lotulim, the fingers were pointing towards the Ponda police that the deceased was dropped at the Borum Junction in Ponda police station jurisdiction. The police officers confessed to the investigating officer that they dropped the Bihar native labor at the site of the accident. Superintendent of Police, South, Sunita Sawant has already suspended 3 policemen, Ravindra Naik, Head Constable, Ashwin Sawant, Constable, and Pritesh Prabhu, Driver, Constable, attached to Ponda Police Station on Thursday. The serious unanswered questions and the post-mortem report and the suspension of the 3 officials point to the clear, sinister and shocking role of the Ponda police in the death case, with foul play written all over it. Bureau Report Herald TV.
आसागांव गौर मोडला तातूंत मुखेल गुन्यांवकार आसलेली पूजा शर्मान एंटीसिपेटरी बेल मेळूंक ऍप्लिकेशन केलोलें ते विशीं शुक्रारा दीस पणजेच्या सेशन कोर्टान आयकप जावपाचें आसलें। तें आयकप पणजेच्या प्रिन्सिपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सेशन्स कोर्टान फुडें व्हेलां। तो गुन्यांव आदल्ला तेन्ना ताण पुलिसांत पयस रावलेल्या पूजा शर्मांक शुक्रारा दीस सेक्शन 41A ऑफ CRPC खाल तिसरी नोटीस धाडल्या।
The Principal District and Sessions Court Panjim on Friday had adjourned the hearing to Saturday in the anticipatory bail application filed by Pooja Sharma, the alleged accused in the Asagaon house demolition case. Despite sending third notice under Section 41A of CRPC on Friday, and Pooja Sharma has been evading arrest since the commission of the crime. Panjim Principal District and Sessions Court resumed its hearing on the anticipatory bail plea of Pooja Sharma in the Asagaon house demolition case on Saturday. Pooja's counsel argues MLAs Michael, Delila, and CM interfered in probe, indicating it isn't independent, hence I deserve anticipatory bail. Pooja's counsel argued back to the court stating, police wants to arrest me due to political pressure, government is forcing police to arrest me. Now the District and Sessions Court Panjim adjourned the hearing on Pooja Sharma's anticipatory bail plea for Monday morning. The entire case began on 22nd June, when the alleged owners of the one-story house in Asagaon razed the house and also hiring bouncers to threaten the Agrawalekar family to evacuate. The case escalated when the bouncers abducted Preensha Agrawalekar's husband Pradeep and son Prince on the same night when their house was being demolished. On 25th June, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited the Agrawalekars' demolished house and assured them that stringent action will be taken against all the perpetrators who were involved in this crime and will bring the main accused Pooja Sharma to Goa for investigation. Sawant also assured them the government would rebuild their house and the expenses would be recovered from the culprits. Bureau Report Herald TV.
बोरी नवो पूल बांदूंक सुचयला ताची वाट दुसरे वाटेन वचची अशें सांगूंक उचक्यान निशीत मारपी लोटलीच्या शेतकाऱ्यांच्या नांवान गांवांतल्या एका जोम्यान गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचो आमदार आनी मुखेली विजय सरदेसायक शुक्रारा दीस सांजेर भेट दिली। पूल बांदपाची सद्याची जी येवजण आसा ताका लागून आपणाची काजनाच्या शेताचो इबाड जातलो म्हूण त्या जोम्यान भिरांत उक्तायल्या। सद्याक नवो पूल बांदूंक सोदतात ताका आपूण कोर विरोध करतलो आनी थोड्याच दिसांनी जावपाचे आसलेल्या विधानसभेच्या अधिवेशनांतूय आपूण तो विशय वयर काडटलो म्हूण सादेसायेन ताका कात्री दिली.
नवे बोरींग ब्रिज लोटलेच्यान जे अलायनमेंट चूज केला सरकारान, जो सरकार फोर्स करूंक सोदता तो अलायनमेंट ओपोज करतात थंयचे शेतकरी. ते शेतकरी आज म्हाका मेळिल्ले आहा. ते शेतकरी हे खाजन शेती म्हणटा ती करतात. खाजन शेती म्हणजे ती एक सारकी एन्शंट मेथड जो आमचो सरकारान बांदिल्लो. आनी हांव जेन्ना एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना खाजन रिवायवल करपा खातीर आमी एक 10,000 एकर हेक्टर्स ऑफ खाजन अशें आमी टार्गेट केल्लें. आनी पयले 500 हेक्टर वर्साक घेवन आमी खाजन रिवायवल करता म्हणटाले. सो गोंयचे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचो फोकस आसा की खाजन शेती ही रिवायव करची. आतां ही खाजन शेती एक्झिस्टींग आहा, ती शेती काबार करपा खातीर नॅशनल हायवे कित्याक फुडें वता हें म्हाका कळना. सेकंडली लँड एक्विजिशन जें करतात ते 60 मिटरा खातीर कित्याक जाय, जेन्ना प्रिवेलिंग ब्रिज पसून एक म्हाका दिसता मॅक्सिमम 30 मिटरान जावंक शकता. इतलें डबल एक्विजिशन कित्याक करप आनी कोण हो रस्तो वता खंय. सो सगळो हाजो सारांश असो लोक काडटा की कोळसो ह्या रस्त्या वयल्यान व्हरपा खातीर, कोळशा खातीर आमची शेती काबार करून, गांव काबार करून हो ब्रिज करूंक सोदता सरकार, अशें हें सिद्ध जाता. आनी हो हें एक एक्विजिशन सरकाराचेर आसा. आतां तांचो आमदार बाब आलेश सिकेर म्हणटा की आपूण वचून बाब नितीन गडकरीक सांगतलो, आपूण घरां साल्वार करतलो. पूण शेती साल्वार करपाची होय फोकस आसपाक जाय. आनी हो फोकस आसपा खातीर हो इश्यू आमी रेज करतले. दीस शूड नॉट बी अनदर प्रोजेक्ट वीच इज अनपॉप्युलर. जे डेव्हलपमेंट जाता तो डेव्हलपमेंट बाय कन्सेंट म्हणटा तो जावंक जाय. आमी आमच्या मतदारसंघात डेव्हलपमेंट बाय कन्सेंट केल्लो आसा. गव्हर्मेंटानूय तसोच करचो. लोक हांगा एंटी डेव्हलपमेंट न्ही, ते ब्रिज नाका म्हणनात, रस्तो नाका म्हणनात, पूण सायज ऑफ दॅट रस्तो आनी एक्झिस्टींग शेत जें आसा, शेती जी चालू आहा ती प्रोटेक्ट करूंक जाय, हो तांचो उद्देश आहा. आनी म्हाका दिसता हो उद्देश वायट कसोच न्ही. इट इज समथींग वीच इज गुड अँड वीच नीड्स टू बी सपोर्टेड बाय ऑल रायट थिंकींग गोल्स. आनी ताजे खातीर वी वील सपोर्ट देम, वी वील टेक अप दीस इश्यू अँड आय थिंक द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू कम क्लीन ऑन दीस.
गुन्यांवकारा खातीर चालीक लायलेल्या नव्या कायद्याचेर भासाभास करून आनी गुन्यांवांक बोडी पडलेल्यांक बेगीन न्हीद मेळपाची खात्री करची म्हण डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस जसपाल सिंगान शुक्रारा दीस दक्षिण गोंयच्या अधिकाऱ्यांकडेन उलयतना सांगलें. उपस्योग जाता तितले उणें जावपाची नोंदरीन पावलां उबारूंक ताणें पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर कारभार सांबाळटल्यांक सांगलें. दुसरे वाटेन राज्यांतल्या सगळ्या पुलीस स्टेशनांचेर HDPE बोटी दिवन म्हत्वाचें सुदारप केलां अशेंय ताणें ताका सांगलें.
3 नए क्रिमिनल लॉज इम्प्लीमेंट किए हैं, जिसमें भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता है, भारतीय न्याय संहिता है और भारतीय साक्ष्य संहिता है. तो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने में किसी तरह की कोई लॉजिस्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स ना आई हो, उसके बारे में चर्चा का मेन विषय था. इसके अलावा चूँकि असेंबली सेशन भी आने वाला है तो इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, ताकि उनके आंसर्स जो हैं वो एप्रोप्रिएट दिए जाएं, प्रॉपर डेटा के साथ दिए जाएं. और ख़ास तौर पे जो एक्सीडेंट्स हैं या कुछ घटनाएं होती हैं उनको कैसे डील करना है प्रोफेशनल वे में. 1-2 एक्सीडेंट हुए थे अभी जिसमें के सिचुएशन वाज नॉट क्लियर. कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी को अभी रिसेंटली अपग्रेड किया है हमने. जो HDPE बोट्स होती हैं, हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीएथिलीन बोट्स, उनको प्रोक्योर किया है और अलग अलग पुलिस स्टेशन को हैंड ओवर किया है. उससे जो हमारा कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसमें मजबूती आएगी. और भी इसमें काफ़ी लोगों को जो ओछा में गुजरात में एकेडमी है, कोस्टल एकेडमी की, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स उसको चलाती है, वहाँ से भी बंदों को ट्रेन किया गया है. तो जो HDPE बोट्स हैं उसको रिसीव करने के बाद हमारी जो पेट्रोलिंग कैपेबिलिटी है वो बढ़ गई है, क्योंकि उससे पहले हमारे पास एक बड़ी बोट थी जो इनलैंड वाटर्स में नहीं जा सकती थी. तो इससे हमारी इनलैंड वाटर्स में जाने की कैपेबिलिटी भी बढ़ गई.
सोरो पिवन सोऱ्याच्या नेटान सुमारा बायल्या नेटान गाडी चलयताले देखून केरळाच्या 2 बोडेकारांक आरांबोल वेळीत सांपडायले. गांवच्या लोकांक ताचे विशीं रोखडेच पुलिसांक जागयले आनी पुलीस रोखडेच आजीत सावन कायदे मोडपी त्या भोंवडेकारांक धरले.
On Friday late evening, two Kerala visitors under the influence of alcohol drove a four-wheeler on Arambol beach. The tourists had rented a privately owned four-wheeler. Driving on beaches is completely prohibited in Goa. Tourists, whether consciously or inadvertently, have the nerve to ram their rental vehicle onto Goan beaches, raising fears among locals that their behavior may endanger beach wildlife and humans. The locals soon reported them to the police. The cops arrived quickly and captured them.
गोंयचे ट्युरिझम वाडोवंक ताचो कारभार आसूंक आनी ताचे खातीर रेग्युलेशन बील आसूंक ट्रॅव्हल अँड ट्युरिझम असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवाच्या एका जोम्यान मुखेल मंत्री प्रमोद सावंताची भेट घेवन ते विशीं आपणाचो हुस्को उलोवन दाखयलो. बील सारकें तयार करूंक ना आनी तातूंत म्हत्वाचो बदल करपाची गरज आसा म्हूण ताणें सांगलें. ह्या मोडाव्या गोंयच्या लागू जावप्यांनी आपणाच्यो अडचणी मांडलेल्यो त्यो सुटाव्यो केल्या शिवाय बील हाडचें न्हय म्हूण तांणी मुखेलमंत्र्याक विनयलें. ट्युरिझमाच्या खात्यान 2% फी सुचयल्या ताकाय तांणी विरोध उक्तायलो.
5 पॉयंट आहात. वन इज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ द बोर्ड. आमी पयलो बोर्ड आमच्या टुरिझम पॉलिसी मेळ्ळी 2020 in which there was a particular methodology for composition. It had 8 members from the industry, including one PTAG, one GCCI, one all shack owners and all that thing, one many other small groups, all included in that. Now in the new act they have deleted all that. And that was done, I don't know with whose consultation, I don't think the CM knows, I don't think even the tourism minister knows. So that is one point. Second thing is there are huge fees, sustainability fees, 2% percentage. So fees normally a fee is a fee, fixed fee. It can never be percentage. So therefore we have raised an objection, and that fee will be charged for any transaction or any, even a local body, even a restaurant locally is selling something. You cannot distinguish whether it is for tourism or business or for personal use. So therefore that has to be dealt with. Second thing is registration of hotels and tourism ventures. We have existing registration which are valid for 5 years even. Now those 5 years are not looked at. You re-register immediately within 180 days or you will be deregistered.
We have requested Chief Minister not to take this forward in the coming assembly. Before taking it forward in the future, to take the consultation of all stakeholders. That is most important, and then take it forward.
So as of now, you have been not taken in consideration.
We have been taken into consideration, but it is not done satisfactorily.
When the draft was made, was never circulated to anyone.
Final draft amka dadung na.
Same thing, आता मुलेलं तशें. So idea, our objection is to the overall that there are a lot of around 10 to 12 issues which we have requested point wise. We had a discussion with it that regarding the penalties which are the definition of tourist is also a vague definition. So even any person coming on business is defined as a tourist. Then of course penalties, there are 10 lakh penalties for offences, which is also quite high. Then there is a definition of the tourism board itself. There are powers which are to be defined. Then of course it's there everywhere regarding the sustainable fee which they are charging, which is not viable with the GST and the panchayats, fire, your pollution, everybody charging fees at each level. So because practically it will be, Goa already we say it's highly priced for various reasons. So adding that further, sustainability itself will be issue with all the industry. So I'm sure Goa government will look into positively and take a more consultation view.
So we've given a representation from the NRAI on behalf of the restaurants, covering some of the points that were discussed by the TTAG as well, with regards to the group meetings which have to be curbed, the 2% tax which has to be put. So we've given our representation. CM has given a positive response and said he'll look into the matter and take it further. So let's see what comes out of it.
रस्त्याची सुरक्षा आसपाचो हुस्को वाडत आसा ते मनात धरून गोवा कॅनाच्या वांगड्यांनी ट्रॅफिक सेलाक भेट दिवन राज्यान अपघाताचो आंकडो उणो करूंक साबार उपाय घेवपा विशीं भासाभास केली. सुराली स्पीड ब्रेकर घालप हो मुखेल विशय आसलो. कित्याक थोडे दीस फाटीं ह्या रस्त्यार एका तरण्या भुरग्याचो जीव लुकसाण जालो. फुडल्या 7 आठवड्यां मेरेन तोय स्पीड ब्रेकर जातलो म्हूण आशा आसा. रस्त्याचेर स्पीड कितली पर्यंत आसूं येता ते विशीं सायन बोर्ड घालूंक येरादारीचे खाते दुडू नेमतले.
Some of the things that we took stock of was the erection of speed breakers in Serauni because there was an accident recently where a young boy lost his life. So a joint site inspection was carried out, and the speed breakers that need to go there will be done within the month, should be done by the next week. Another thing that came out was also speed breakers that are on hold, which were already notified, and that needs to be done. Due to lack of money, that thing is being kept back, but that is also now being expedited after they have figured out where the funds will come from to complete that. Another point was about the annual targets about whatever is happening, for reduction of accidents. The Supreme Court committee had given some certain targets on what we should discuss on the measures to be taken to reduce road safety accidents. We had a meeting last Monday of just 4-5 people to prepare the plan, but now due to the assembly, it's going to, we are going to meet again after the assembly and put all those points down to prepare the road safety plan for South Goa district. We had taken up the issue of electricity poles, which were still in the middle of the road when roads were widened. The discussion was about signboards on speed, especially the speed limits that need to be put up in various roads, highways, and all those roads. The Department of Transport will sanction funds now to erect those boards. We just need to follow it up now.
सोडवारा दीस सकाळी रायचे शिमितेरीशी आंब्याचो एक व्हडलो रूख मोडोन स्कुटराचेर पडलो. तोय आसलेलो लोक तो रूख कोसळोन पडचे आदींच सुरक्षे खातीर दुसऱ्या जाग्यार गेलेले देखून कोणाक कांयच वायट कळोंक ना. उजो पालोवपी खात्याचे मनीस रोखडेच ह्या गुन्ह्याच्या जाग्यार आयले आनी तोय आसलोली आडकोड मेकळी केली.
On Saturday morning, a huge mango tree came crashing down on a scooter near the Raya cemetery. People around the tree, including the owner of the scooter, quickly ran away when they got to know that the tree is falling. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the scooter was damaged.
We have received a call at about 8:50 that a branch of mango tree has fallen on the road. So immediately we rushed on the spot here, and we observed that the branch of tree fallen on the road, and there is one scooter inside there. So now we are cleaning. This will be will clean very soon.
No. Where it has fallen? Raya, which place?
This is exact front of the church is there.
No, this is a cemetery.
Yeah, it's cemetery.
Yeah.
So right in front
So
of
the
that.
owner has contacted you, that motorcycle?
Yeah, he's here only.
Where is he?
He's here only. The scooter is inside. Now.
What time you
Angelo
received the call
Fernandez
today?
has given call.
Sorry?
Angelo Fernandez has given. Call
What time it was?
At about 8:50.
Inacio for Herald TV.
आयच्या खबरापुत्रांत इतलेंच. हेराल्ड टीव्ही खबरापुत्र आयकले देखून तुमकां देव बरें करूं. अदीक खबरां खातीर उपकार करून आमकां फेसबुकार आनी ट्विटराचेर फॉलो करात.